This is a Brooklyn-bound 2 train. The next stop is
Wall Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
What's up, everyone? I rarely do this, but just as a reminder, there's a 30-day free trial for my Substack premium content. I want to first thank you for being a free subscriber or a Substack Notes follower, or if you're just listening to this on Apple Podcast or Spotify, etc. But with the holidays and the fact that I don't have a discount that's publicly available, I wanted to at least share the holiday spirit, give you access to all of my methodology, all of the archives, full unlocked podcasts for 30 days. There's no obligation. You just pick either monthly or annual payment. There's no payment that's taken for 30 days. So you can cancel the subscription before 30 days, like on the 29th day, and your credit card is never charged. So you can sample it. If you get value out of it, you can upgrade and stay a paying subscriber, or you can just bounce. Totally up to you. Redeeming the trial is super easy. Just go to notyouradvisor.com/Thanksgiving. The free trial sign up will end the end of December 1st at midnight. Welcome back. Happy Friday, everyone. This is Not Your Advisor with NYU grad on November 14th, podcast episode 555. Markets are tricky, but we're just bouncing off the 50. Literally made a post earlier today about that. Everyone in the FinTwit, Substack Finance was just basically saying, here are our new bullish trades. We're going long. This is the bottom. It's a capitulation bottom. And basically the tone was, hold your horses, calm down. And I had a list of major stocks that were literally just testing the 50-day and finding some support where it's supposed to find support. If you missed the explanation of why the 50-day or just moving averages like the 50 and the 200-day typically will have a pause of price, I would urge you to take a look at that post earlier today. It has the Grinch, I believe, on the headline image. But there's a couple things that I want to share in the news, and big shout out to JJ Alyosha at Market Vibes. He had shared on his private chat, if you don't subscribe to him, I highly recommend you do, a poet that trades, basically. Apparently there are chains that operate in New York and Queens called San San Chicken, San San Ramen, and Yasso Kitchen that are hiring employees from the Philippines as cashiers. And you might be wondering, well, do they fly here or how does that work? It's through Zoom. It's through video conferencing that you have cashier checkout at these restaurants, quick serve restaurants. And it's potentially a way for the company to avoid paying minimum tax. They're paying them $3.25 per hour, but they're still asking for those 18% tips. This is a very odd future that we're living in now. I'll link to the actual source origin going to X as well. Also in the news, Anthropic uploaded a 13-page document on how they helped America thwart a cyber espionage campaign suspected from China. And then today there was a report that Alibaba shares were trading lower after the Financial Times reported that a White House memo claims that the company helping the Chinese military target the U.S. was Alibaba.
If you're intrigued by what you've heard today,
Yeah.
if you're ready to challenge your own assumptions and explore a new approach to investing,
Okay.
then I encourage you to check out Not Your Advisor.
Explore their website.
Listen to a few podcast episodes.
See if their philosophy resonates with you.
You might just discover a whole new way of thinking about investing.
One that empowers you to achieve your financial goals.
And that's what it's all about.
Absolutely.
So until next time,
Yeah.
keep learning, keep questioning, and keep diving deeper